chest, fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze, crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, it's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. Today's everything in between. It snowed. So, here we are. I haven't been outside yet. I have looked on my camera, you know, my, I don't know, door camera, whatever it's called. But I haven't been outside. Oh, I didn't even turn off the alarm here. Okay, so I have the snow stick. I don't think I'm going to go out there because I don't have the proper gear on, but let's look out together. Oh, we have people shoveling the snow for us. Okay. Well, it's looking pretty snowy. Anyway, there's the snow. So now, we did have people coming, you know, we are paying to shovel for us. So now, I have to find out, do they want coffee or do they want hot chocolate? So anyway, have a great day. Actually, I'll be talking to you again. So, goodbye for now. Okay, I'm going to go out back in the backyard to measure the snow with the snow stick. And remember when I said I have a lot of different things of projects that I didn't make correctly? Well, I have 3 snowflakes. So I thought, oh, let's put them on the snow stick. So we've made it kind of snowy. So now we're gonna go out back here. Oh, why I didn't bring my hat? Oh well, it's all right. I ain't gonna be out here long. All right. So, it is sleeting out here. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is sleeting. So here we go. We're at 7 inches. 7 inches right there. And it is sleeting and I'm going back in. But that's what it is. And I will talk to you guys later. Well, here's more of our snow. The snow plow is coming down, trying to clear our road. And it's sleeting. You can hear it hitting the snow on the, ground. Dave did salt. Well, not salt, but ice melt. The walkway and things like that. And I don't think it's really doing much. But that's where we're at right now. So, with that, I'm going to come over here. And this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be in this spot here. And I've been working on this that I had to frog all the way back. Remember I showed you I had to frog it to like, right about here. And I have these, let me move this, these little piles still of how I was trying to keep the yarn organized. And I'm almost, only have these 2 to go, and then I'll be where I was before I frogged. But wait, this is this way. It's coming along, and that's what I'm going to work on. Also, later I'll check the high temperature. I should look on here now, see what the temperature is at the moment. Well, it's 21 degrees, but it feels like 14, and that's Fahrenheit. What's the high supposed? 25 is the high today. We did not get there. We'll see. So, yeah, that's what it is. And I'm just gonna sit here, crochet, maybe do some laundry, and that's about it. So, oh, I made a good breakfast. I made a, like a French toast bake with fresh blueberries. It was real good. I should have taken a picture of it, and I didn't. It was really good. And yesterday I made homemade mac and cheese to go with our steaks. There's a whole bunch left, so we'll have that today for dinner. And yeah, it's how the day is going. So tell me how much snow you guys got, and what you're doing today, and you know, post pictures. I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Pattern's rough, but it's got heart.